items being considered at the AGM. The basic instructions relating to e-voting and attending the AGM through video conferencing is forming part of notice of the AGM. For this purpose, the company has taken the services of NSDL to provide facility for voting through remote e-voting during the AGM, and participation in the AGM through video conferencing. The remote e-voting commenced at 9 a.m. on 23rd August 2025 and ended at 5 p.m. on 25th August 2025. Now, I will record the attendance of directors, auditors, and other company officials who are present at this meeting. Mr. Sanjay Lalbhai, Chairman. Mr. Kulin Lalbhai, Vice Chairman and Non-Executive Director and Chairman of the CSR Committee. Mr. Sailesh Chaturvedi, MD and CEO. Ms. Amisha Jain, new MD and CEO. Mr. Suresh Jayaraman, Non-Executive Director, Mr. Nagesh Pinge, Independent Director and Chairman of the Audit Committee, Mr. Achal Bakeri, Independent Director, Mr. Govind Shikhande, Independent Director, Mr. Nilesh Shah, Independent Director and Chairman of the NRC Committee, Ms. Ananya Tripathi, Independent Director, Mr. Girdhar Chitlangia, Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Kartike Rawal, representing the statutory auditors, Mr. N.V. Kataria, Secretarial Auditor, Mr. Hitesh Buch, Scrutinizer. This being the virtual AGM, I would like to draw your attention to certain relevant aspects of this meeting. Shareholders attending the AGM through video conferencing will be counted as present in person for the purpose of quorum. All shareholders who have joined the meeting are placed on mute mode to avoid any disturbance and to ensure an orderly conduct of the meeting. There will be a question-answer session. Kindly note that the shareholders who have previously registered as speakers will be allowed to speak and raise questions as intimated in the notice. For this purpose, I will announce the name of such shareholder, and that shareholder will be unmuted by the moderator to allow him to speak. Shareholders who have not previously registered as speakers are not permitted to speak or raise any question. In case they wish to ask question, the same may be sent to us by an email after the meeting, and the same will be replied within a reasonable time. I will now brief you on a very important matter relating to the voting on the resolutions. Shareholders who have not cast their votes through remote e-voting facility and who are attending this meeting have an additional opportunity to cast their votes by electronic means on all or any of the resolutions. The shareholders who have already cast their votes by remote e-voting shall not be entitled to vote again. Shareholders may follow the process for e-voting as provided in the notice of AGM. Shareholders may cast their votes at any time during the course of AGM until 15 minutes after the close of AGM. The scrutinizer will scrutinize the vote cast during the meeting and through remote e-voting. Voting results on resolutions will be announced within 2 working days. Today at this AGM, the requisite quorum is present. I now hand over the proceedings of this meeting to the respected chairman. Over to you, sir.
Good morning and welcome to the annual general meeting. I would request Vice Chairman Kulin Lalbhai to take you through the proceedings.
Thank you, Chairman. Dear shareholders, thank you for joining us today. Good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you. The annual report of your company for the year ended 31st March 2025, along with the notice of the AGM, report of directors and auditors have been sent to all shareholders whose email IDs were registered with the company. Copy of the annual report has also been uploaded on the website of the company and the stock exchanges. With your permission, I take these as read. Financial year 2025 was a year marked by geopolitical uncertainties and domestic market evolution. However, AFL continued to lead the transformation of the Indian fashion industry, aligned with the changing preferences and aspirations of consumers globally. In a dynamic business ecosystem, we remained at the forefront of the apparel industry's growth at the back of our portfolio of globally recognized lifestyle brands. We continued to deliver sustained value to our stakeholders with the promise of enhanced growth going forward. India today stands tall on the global economic landscape as one of the fastest growing economies, demonstrating strong fundamentals despite the volatility in international markets. The recent US tariffs have only served to strengthen the domestic industries by limiting import competition. Driven by young population, robust domestic demand and key reforms, the country has maintained a positive outlook with growth expected to exceed the global average in FY26. In this backdrop, the Indian apparel market delivered robust performance in FY25 with the market shift towards branded clothing, enhancing demand for branded fashion, catalyzing growth in the organized retail sector. A structured, retail industry with increasing investment in branded outlets, multi-brand stores, and e-commerce platforms is further driving the growth of the industry. Retailers are expanding their product portfolios and enhancing the shopping experience of consumers through tailored offerings aligned with local preferences, as the country's regional diversity adds another layer to the apparel market's growing appeal. Emerging trends like sustainability, athleisure, and the influence of digital platforms are rewriting the rules for the industry. Our ability to target regional aspirations through tailored, affordable products lends our brands a pan-India appeal, which we continue to harness with our robust retail and seamless omni-channel presence. Our dynamic and trendy marketing campaigns, driven by various collaborations and strong social media presence, are further boosting our visibility. As a pure play branded fashion company, AFL's focus remains on keeping itself abreast with the changing trends of the fashion world. This keeps us well aligned with the changes in global fashion and equips us to meet emerging fashion aspirations. Now turning to our performance. Net sales value of your company for FY25 increased by 361 crores to 4620 crores, an accelerated growth of 9%. Strong investments in marketing yielded positive outcomes marked by like-to-like growth of over 5% across the portfolio. Aided by a reduction in discounting, sourcing efficiency, and a richer channel mix, we showed an improvement in our gross profit, which moved up by 130 basis points. Our sharp focus on operational efficiencies and cost optimization helped to drive operating leverage, resulting in higher EBITDA margins. I'm very happy to inform you that the EBITDA is now close to 14%, gaining 100 basis points to rise to 637 crores, which is 17% higher than the previous year. We also successfully improved our working capital due to all our interventions in supply chain. I'm delighted to inform you that AFL crossed the milestone of generating more than 20% return on capital employed this year, and we hope to continue to improve upon this going forward. We have also achieved a reduction of debt of nearly 75 crores in both gross and net levels. Looking ahead to FY26, the recent uptick in the overall demand environment has given us a sense of optimism on future growth. As demand improves gradually, we expect our growth rates to increase in the coming quarters. The positivity in casual wear segment, higher disposable income, and a favorable macroeconomic situation with lower inflation and a reduction in interest rates will enhance our future growth prospects. All our growth drivers are in place, including net square foot expansion, continued L2L growth, adjacent category growth, product innovation and premiumization, sustainability initiatives, and digitalizations, which is driven by our online B2C growth. Our sustained investments in these growth enablers will lead us on our journey of profitable growth, resulting in further improvement of EBITDA and FCF generation. I am confident that with your continued support and trust, we shall scale new frontiers of growth going forward. I would like to take this moment here to thank each and every one of you and all our stakeholders for partnering with us in this thrilling journey. I also extend my heartfelt appreciation to my fellow board members for their invaluable guidance. The future beckons us with immense possibilities, and we shall together capture them to build a stronger, better, and more engaging brand, Arvind Fashions. Let me end by expressing deep appreciation to our valued customers, vendor partners, financial stakeholders, regulatory bodies, and especially our dedicated employees for standing firmly with us. Thank you once again for your continued trust and support. I now place before the meeting the business mentioned in the notice of the AGM to vote and hand over to the company secretary to start the question and answer session. Lippy, you are on mute.
Sorry. Thank you, sir. Now, I also record the presence of Mr. Manoj Nakra, Independent Director. Now, I'll call the name of the shareholder who has registered as a speaker, and thereafter the shareholder will be unmuted by the moderator to enable the shareholder to speak. The first speaker is Mr. Jatin Bhai Parekh from Ahmedabad. Moderator, please unmute him.
Good morning, Sanjay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And everybody on the board of directors. First of all, I thank the secretary department and particularly Madam D.P. Jha for giving me timely this balance sheet and also enrolling me as a speaker. I thank the DP Jha also. Acha, what about, sir, this Trump effect? Yes, he is going to introduce all 25% more tariff from tomorrow. So it will be total 50% tariff on Indian products. Will it affect us? Because our garments and everything goes in all the 140 countries. Will it affect us? Also, what about the cotton price prevailing? Cotton prices are down. So will it give us good results? And thank you and best wishes for your health and prosperity in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you.
Second, next speaker is Mr. Kaushik Shahukar from Mumbai. Moderator, please unmute him.
Ma'am, Miss Kaushik Sahukar is not in the meeting.
Okay. Third speaker is Mr. Kamal Kishore from Hyderabad. Moderator, please unmute him.
हेलो मेरा आवाज आ रहा है सर?
हाँ जी,
हेलो।
आ रहा है।
ओके, थैंक यू लाला भाई। सबसे पहले हमारे फाउंडर अरविंद के लाला भाई को नमस्कार। आज ये कंपनी किधर से किधर चले आ रही है, कभी शेयर होल्डर को कभी ये आपके शेयरों में कभी लॉस नहीं हुआ। अपन मार्केट जब अप एंड डाउन हो तो बात अलग है, आपने शेयर होल्डर को कभी भी अच्छा रिटर्न मिला है। और सर आपका चेयरमैन स्पीच बहुत अच्छा वंडरफुल है, सब कुछ आपने डिटेल बता दिया, बहुत अच्छा लगा। और सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट का टीम बहुत अच्छा है, मिल लिया हमारे को बैलेंस शीट मिल गया, सर्विस अच्छा है। और आज से तो पूरे फेस्टिवल की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट गणेश चतुर्थी, गणेश भगवान का काम से पूरा काम सक्सेसफुल होता है, तो उसके भी सबको शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। और इसकी तरह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रखे सर, हम कहीं भी रहे मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकते हैं, इसमें बहुत एडवांटेज है, बेनिफिट है। बाहर अनदर स्टेट में कहीं भी रहे तो बात करने का मौका मिलता है, जैसा कोई डायरेक्टर अब्रोड रहे तो भी मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकते हैं। ये वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस का बेस्ट सर्विस सर, इसी तरह वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस रखे। और आज जो भी शेयर होल्डर बोले साहब, अपना कम से कम आपका जो प्रोडक्ट से भिजाइए, कुछ भी फर्क नहीं होता। बस ज्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ, हम कंपनी से खुश है। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Next speaker is Mr. Gaurav Singh from New Delhi. Moderator, please unmute him.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Respected Chairman, sir, Board of Directors and fellow shareholders, good morning to all of you. My name is Gaurav Kumar Singh, joining this AGM from New Delhi. So, first of all, I would like to thank our company secretary and our entire secretary team for giving me the opportunity to express my views on this platform. Sir, my question to the management are that what is our capex plan for next 2 to 3 years? And, what is the impact of Gen AI on our business operations? How we are using it, and how will it impact employment in our company? What is your target amount to spend on CSR activities for current financial year? That's all from my side. As far as the agenda of this AGM is concerned, I support all the resolutions along with all my family members. I also wish to convey my greetings for the upcoming festive season. Sir, kindly consider to send some goodies as a greetings to speaker shareholders at least. Once again, I wish to thank our CFO, Company Secretary, and the entire secretary team for maintaining high standard of corporate governance. In the end, I wish a bright future for the company and a great health for all of you. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next speaker is Ms. Davinder Kaur from New Delhi. Moderator, please unmute her.
Ma'am, he is not present in the meeting.
Sure. Next speaker is Mr. Jaideep Bakshi from Calcutta. Moderator, please unmute him.
Very good morning, Chairman and other Board of Directors and CFO. Myself, Jaideep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. First of all, I convey my thanks to our Company Secretary, Lipi Madam, for giving me an opportunity to express my view and presenting a detailed and informative annual report, and also to our moderator for conducting this video conference in a smooth manner. Sir, you shared in your initial speech about our company apparel. It was very much goes with the current trend, and myself proud also to be part of this branded fashion company. And what is our future outlook? Because there is so much of disposable income, and the customer trend is now changing towards the shifting towards the brand liking. So that's I support all the resolutions and wish the company all the best in the coming years. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for giving the opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next speaker is Mr. Badri Bajaj from Hyderabad. Moderator, please unmute him.
Yeah. Very good morning.
Morning.
Lippy Madam, thanks for your cooperation and updating me as a speaker shareholder and also enlightening on the discount coupon which you have already sent without our intervention. Thank you. Sir, your annual report carries a slogan, fashion to grow, and really you are growing in a unique fashion at global level. So you have global brands in all the apparel and other products. I appreciate that. And you have a cash flow which is very healthy and you are maintaining the margins also. Sir, I have only 3 questions. As a global brand apparel and the USA tariff, so how do you feel that this tariff will make a lot of changes or 50% whatever the tariff Trump is putting it on the cotton and brand and compared to other global market like Bangladesh and all. So where we stand other than our fashion and brand. Sir. The second one is, how are you taking the regional aspiration? The fashion, as you are very much high caliber in the fashion, but India is a market where aspirations, regional aspirations are there, and how you are catering to that. Means Arvind Fashion has got almost 100 franchises and all, and B2C also, as you said, it is really good. But aspirations and the fashion model in South or in North, how are you taking care? I wanted to understand. And third one is, in all the fashion and brands, how you are doing the cost optimization? Because finally customer is there who is very much worried about fashion as well as cost. So is it the high end only or any other technique which you have in the cost margin? The rest all you are fine and your company is growing well and I appreciate under your guidance and chairmanship. Thank you very much. I am Badrishal Bajaj from Hyderabad. Thank you, Deputy Madam.
Thank you. Thank you, Badriji.
Thank you, sir. Next speaker is Mr. Manoj Gupta from West Bengal. Moderator, please unmute him.
मनोज जी सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है ठीक से.
Just a minute.
हाँ जी अभी सुनाई दे रहा है. वीडियो जरा ऑफ कीजिए तो सुनाई देगा.
Hear me?
Yes, please keep the video
Hello?
off. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Respected Chairman, Board of Directors, fellow shareholders, myself Manoj Kumar Gupta. I have joined this AGM from my residence city of Joy, Calcutta. I feel proud to be a shareholder of Arvind Fashions, and I thanks to your company secretary and her team to help us to join this meeting through VC. So, what's your future plan, and how you will face the competition in this market in the fashion business, and how you will take the brands globally? Your brand is very popular in the mind of pupils. So how you will further grow in future with a brand of with a logo of brand? Have you any plan to export made in India by Arvind Fashion? Because Indian fabric and Indian garments liked by several several foreign pupils. So what's your plan in that regard? And you have a cash surplus on 31st March 2025 in books. So what's your plan to utilize that fund to grow the company's progress in future? And with this, I strongly support all the resolutions with the hope that we will get good return in coming time under your able leadership, sir. And we always want to see your smiling face, sir, because in last three AGM, we have not seen a smile on your face, sir. Because if you will smile, then employees and investors will smile. So kindly keep always smile, because AGM is that place that a board and a shareholder should smile. So you should always smile and think about to reward to the shareholder, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you.
Next speaker is Ms. Prakashni Shenoy from Mumbai. Moderator, please unmute her.
Ma'am, she is not present in the meeting.
Sure. Speaker number 10. Next speaker is Mr. Vinod Agarwal from Mumbai. Moderator, please unmute him.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Respected Chairman Sanjay Lalbhai, Vice Chairman Kulin Lalbhai, MD and CEO Shailesh Chaturvedi, CFO Girdhar Chitlangia, and CS DP Jha. Good morning and regards to everyone, sir. I've gone through your annual report, sir. You have given out a very good dividend at 22 rupees, at rupees 160, and a payout of 22 crores on a PAT of just about 31 crores. So आपने काफी about 2/3 तो आपने dividend ही दे दिया, sir. 67% payout. Will this be sustainable in future? I am not sure, sir, but it's a very good payout. And I would like to know, sir, अपने पास stores तो अपना we've got many stores. One second, I had noted down the total. Yeah, we got 9,000 plus MBOs and 977 exclusive brand outlets, sir. तो इस साल में अपन कितने outlets और add करेंगे, या अपना reorganization होगा, कोई अपना unviable outlets भी होंगे जिनको अपन बंद करना चाहेंगे, अपना एक reorganization भी होता है, सर. अपना कभी कभी कोई प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं होता है, कोई के अपना कॉस्ट ज्यादा होता है, तो उसको अपना रीऑर्गेनाइज समटाइम, तो उसका अपना कितना होएगा. एंड सेकेंडली आई आल्सो लाइक टू नो हाउ मच इज एंड ऑफ सीजन सेल से भी अपना रेवेन्यू आता है, सर. डिस्काउंटेड सेल जिसको अपन बोलते हैं, उसका अपना कितना रेवेन्यू आता होगा. एंड ऑफ सीजन सेल कंपनियां रखती हैं, सर, इन गारमेंट, तो उसका कितना आता होगा, sir. Otherwise the company is performing well, sir. अपना asset light model we are planning mostly on FOFO model. उसके लिए अपना एम्प्लॉइज भी अच्छे हैं, सर. अपने ब्रांड्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, यूएस पोलो, टॉमी हिलफिगर, एरो, कैल्विन क्लाइन, और एक अपने क्लब एक करके कुछ चालू किया है, सर. अपना इसमें क्या होता है, सर? अपना ऑल दी ब्रांड्स आर देयर विद इन द क्लब एक ही क्या है, सर? अपना दिस व्हाट आई लाइक टू नो, एंड आई विश द कंपनी ऑल द बेस्ट, सर. अपने राइट्स इशू दिए थे 135 में अपना इन 21, आज उसका भाव 535 रुपीज है, तो विद इन 4 years अपने 3.5x का अपने को रिटर्न मिल रहा है. तो वी आर ग्लैड विद द रिटर्न दैट द कंपनी इज giving us, sir. So signing off, Vinod Agarwal from Mumbai. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next speaker is Mr. Bharat Raj from Hyderabad. Moderator, please unmute him.
Mr. Bharat Raj is not present in the meeting.
Sure. Last speaker is Mr. Gautam Nandi from Calcutta. Moderator, please unmute him.
Mr. Gautam Nandi is also not present in the meeting.
Thank you. I'll request Mr. Kulin sir to answer the questions to the speakers.
Thank you, Lippy. So we had several questions. Mr. Jatin asked about the impact of the Trump tariff. We are a business that is focused on largely selling in India and some countries around India. We do not sell into the US. So the Trump tariff applies if you are exporting to the US. So in terms of impact directly on our revenues, there is none. But because of the Trump tariffs, there is a lot of other reforms being planned, one of which being a big boost to Indian consumption with a big GST cut. And if that cut does come, there would of course be a strong positive to our company because we are a domestically focused company. Also on the sourcing side, as all the manufacturers in India look to diversification of their markets, there are a lot of larger players who will look to work with domestic companies like us. So I think it gives us a little bit of a benefit in working with our domestic vendors on the sourcing side. There was a question on cotton prices. Cotton prices are generally been flat and trending lower. Recently, there was an announcement of a cut in import duty on cotton, which is also a positive, which has reduced cotton rates a bit. So whatever benign cotton rates there would be, again, that could be an advantage to our company. Gauravji asked for our capex plan. We typically have a 100 to 125 crore capex. We are an asset-light business. Most of our stores are open through the franchisee route, so we don't have very large capex. He asked about Gen AI. Gen AI is going to be central to our future. I think it is going to lead to tremendous efficiency gains on everything from pricing to sourcing to forecasting and various other things, marketing. So we have invested ahead of the time. We have built an analytics practice, and we are going to ensure that we lead the business when it comes to all things related to machine learning and generative AI. Our CSR spend for the year has been 2.5 crores. Badriji asked about the regional tastes. I think this is one of the strengths of Arvind Fashions. We sell across the country, and we have a roadshow model where we get all our key partners from across the country to come and select relevant merchandise and give us feedback on merchandise, and that's what makes our model very regionally efficient. We are able to create the right regional taste for every part of the country. And on the cost of garments, we believe in having the right price value proposition. So we want to give our customers a better product for as good a price as we can afford to. So we are constantly improving a cost efficiency in our sourcing, but at the same time, we are premiumizing the product, adding more value to the product, so we delight our customers. Manojji asked about our future plans. As we have told the markets, we are a profitable growth focused company. We are hoping to grow this company at a 12 to 15% growth rate and keep improving our bottom line EBITDA percentage by 50 to 100 basis points every year, and thereby really grow our free cash flows very, very strongly over the next 5 years. Whatever are our cash surpluses, we are using them to pay down debt. So that is the main use of our surplus cash flows. Vinodji asked us about store opening. We open 150 stores, give or take, and our net square feet addition, typically our aim is to increase it by 15% a year. Our full price sell-through ranges between 55 to 60%. That's what we sell at full price. And Club A is a new format where we are selling all our brands under one roof in a 3 to 5,000 square feet format. So I think this covers all the questions that were asked. And I think there being no other business, I now formally conclude the meeting. And I heartily thank all shareholders and my fellow directors for attending and participating in the AGM through the video conferencing. I extend all good wishes to everyone and their families. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Perfect. So we are done with the meeting, Lippy?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Great. Thanks for all. Thanks to all board members. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Sir, we have stopped the live streaming.